Access to drinking water is difficult in several parts of the world. The problem is getting worse because of the combination of water hoarding, excessive use, and uncertainty in the climate patterns. While remarkable water savings can be done at the agriculture and in industry, and desalination might alleviate the problem under specific settings, there is room for improvement in the water management and water security of the residential sector. In this video, we present how we combine science and engineering to apply a classic but powerful concept: the 3Rs initiative for residential water management. In addition to these, we have incorporated another stage: reconditioning. We integrate available technologies to harmonize the water cycle at a house level. And whenever there is an unmet water need, we might be developing a solution based on our research and development capabilities. This is our portfolio of dedicated technologies aimed to close the water cycle at home, to make your water management more meaningful. Reconditioning. Regions with intermittent water supplies suffer from changes in the water pressure that result in turbidity shocks. As may be expected, houses require water tanks to cope with this variable supply. Thus, sediments contained in multiple turbidity shocks ultimately settle in water tanks, resulting in water pollution. Sediment filters are a common strategy to deal with this problem, with several options being commercially available. However, the time for cartridge replacement is quite variable, and depends on the quality of the incoming water. We have developed a 3-stage filtration system that incorporates a window to replace the cartridges in the appropriate time. This filter system combines the advantage of opaque cases to prevent algae formation and the functionality of transparent cases to monitor cartridge state. Water tanks without proper maintenance have a high chance of being polluted with precipitated minerals that encrust in the tank inner surface. We also deep clean, repair and seal the tanks, for you to count with safe and clean water storage for longer. Finally, we also install and maintain residential reverse osmosis systems, which avoid the need for bottled water. These systems produce safe drinking water from the tap, without the unpleasant taste that is common in some parts of the world. Indeed, if you like a certain water taste or even brand, we can incorporate the minerals required to achieve it. Reducing. You can take advantage from a variety of certified water-saving artifacts, such as toilets, showerheads, and bath and kitchen sink aerators. These devices are engineered to provide an acceptable level of performance and to use water more efficiently. Reusing. Residential reverse osmosis systems have a low efficiency, lying between 20 to 30%, with the remaining being waste or reject water. Reject water has a slightly higher concentration of salts compared to tap water. For each glass of produced water, there are between 3 to 4 glasses of rejected water. Such water is quite valuable in arid regions. Thus, we have developed a solution to harness the reject water for dish washing, without additional energy input. Recycling. We are developing a low-cost residential-scale wastewater treatment plant to reclaim domestic wastewater. The method used is activated sludge process coupled with dynamic filtration. The treated effluent is expected to comply with the Mexican norm for reuse, and to be used for irrigation and toilet flushing. With our R&D capabilities, data analyses, our engineering and the 4Rs approach, we provide water solutions for small-scale systems, such as houses and businesses, and contribute to the water conservation and the satisfaction of our clients.